Hello everyone, I request you all to go through the disclaimer first. Today we are going to study few important informations about Jupiter transit, which is going to happen on 15th of November 2020. This is the present situation of the Jupiter where it is situated. It is in Sagittarius, better known as Dhanusha. On 15th of November 2020, the Jupiter will transit to Capricorn, better known as Makaram. Jupiter has gotten three auspicious aspects: 5th aspect, 7th aspect and 9th aspect, which can give you an auspicious result to each and individual. This is a Vedic birth chart, South Indian format. The details of the Jupiter transits. Jupiter takes 1 year to cover up one particular 30 degree. That is, for the one sign for crossover, the Jupiter takes 1 year to cover up a particular 30 degrees of distance. To covering the whole of the 360 degrees, Jupiter takes 12 years to cover up the 360 degrees. When Jupiter comes to each and every individual sign, it has got its own importance. For example, when the Jupiter comes to Aquarius at Kumbha, then the Kumbha Mela is being conducted at 4 important places that we will study in detail. When the Jupiter comes to Leo or Simha at a sun's house in the South India, once in a 12 years, they conduct Mahamaham, which has been celebrated in the city of Kumbakonam. It happens once in 12 years only. Let's study in detail. There are 3 types of Kumbha Mela. One is Ardha Kumbha Mela, celebrated once in the 6 years at the place Haridwar and Prayaga. Next is Purna Kumbha Mela, which takes place in every 12 years at 4 places in the rotation base. One is Prayaga, Haridwar, Ujjain and Nasik. This Purna Kumbha Mela happens in once in 12 years only. Then Maha Kumbha Mela, which comes after 12 Purna Kumbha Mela, or exact calculation is 144 years, which is celebrated in Prayaga. The simple calculations, 12 into 12, it means Jupiter has to make 12 circles of the zodiac signs. It will take 12 years into 12 years. It means 144 years. Haridwar Kumbha Mela. Kumbha Mela at the largest religious gathering in the world. It's held every 12 years in rotation at the 4 holy places, namely Haridwar, Allahabad, Ujjain and Nasik. In 2021, the Kumbha Mela, a Purna Kumbha Mela, will be held at Haridwar. It will witness the coming gathering and millions of pilgrims accompanied by sadhus to take a dip in the holy river Ganges. That's all regarding the Jupiter transit and the effects. This is my website. I have given the link of the website in the description box. Anyone can reach me for the consultation purpose through my website, or they can reach me through telephone, mobile, WhatsApp or Telegram. The number is 9282103960. I request you all to subscribe the channel, press the bell button so that you can get the latest information at the faster rate. Thank you very much.